you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is exciting. We have a special guest. You guys recognize my lovely mother. Hello. So my mom is here. She's helping me out again today because we are doing some crochet braids. Crochets are from the company Bohobabe. You guys have seen me work with Bohobabe before, but today we are doing this 5 bundle pack, 1 2 3 4 5 6 bundle pack. And these are what the butterfly locks look like. They're nice and long. Can you guys see? Because it's against the black background. They're very long, very pretty. They have a nice like sheen to them. They have like a good luster to them. I kind of like. First, we're going to braid my mom's hair down. So she just has it washed, and it seems like it's got some nice little oil in it. Has it washed and blown out. So we're going to do the illusion braid pattern for illusion crochet. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So with this, you're going to braid 4 box braids because this is going to be your part. So you're going to braid 4 box braids here, and then you're going to just take a small triangular shape of hair out, but it's a very thin shape. So you just take literally this much hair out, literally that much, and this is going to be the third leg of your braid, the second leg of your braid. So these braids are going to be the first part of the cornrow. This is going to be the second part of the cornrow. Then you're going to part this and do 4 more box braids, and that will be the third part of the cornrow. I know it doesn't really make sense right now, but it'll make sense once I start braiding it. And this is basically going to create your your middle part and the top of your side part, because you want the side part on this side or that side. Oh, you want the side part on that side. Okay, so we'll do a side part on that side, so I'll show you how to do that, but it's the same process, just repeated twice. Okay, so just want to show you guys what I was talking about. So this top 4 box braids, you only have to braid them about halfway. I probably even braided them too long. You don't have to braid them that long. Then you have this just loose hair section. This is the second leg of the cornrow, and then you have the third leg of the cornrow. So this is how you're going to connect all these to create one cornrow going to the back. Now, since we're only doing one side part, I did still want this to be an option for a side part, so I did do boxes going down on this side as well, just in case she does want to wear it as a side part on this side. You will still see individual boxes, and it will still give you that illusion. And then I just did just straight cornrows on the side. So make sure you get your edge control on this middle section, because you don't want any flyaways coming up. You want your client's hair to be totally in every braid and be, you know, protected. This is a protective style. And then you can just go ahead and start your box braid. Go ahead and start your cornrow using each part of the 3 legs of the braid of the hair as the cornrow. And this middle section is, can you bend your head down a little bit? This middle section is super helpful with just making the cornrow stay flat to your client's head while you're grabbing the box braids. And this is just gonna give you that illusion of the boxes. Now I know there's a lot of different illusion patterns. I prefer this one the best because you can still, you can just wear this, and to me it just looks more like individual box braids to me once it's actually done. So I just prefer this one. I know there's a lot of different techniques to get this look, but this is the one I prefer because I find that this one is just the most versatile for your client when you're wearing the hair. Okay, so your hair is dead. Your
That's
hair
cute.
is dead.
Or whatever.
That's cute or whatever.
I like that.
I like that.
I like that.
That's cute.
That's cute or whatever.
Okay, so show them the side part. Show them the side part. Okay, it's giving side part realness. Now you can show them the middle part. There's the middle part. So you're giving very much versatile, a lot of versatility. There you go. On this side, you got versatility there. And you could, you could wear it back a little bit if you want to just do a little something back like that. That's cute.
You could do it front.
Or leave it to the front. And then you could do the other side part. So it's very versatile. You have a lot of options around the front of your hairline. And it looks like boxes. Like what I like about it is it looks like it gives the illusion that you do have parts in your head like you would have for individuals. So the braid pattern takes a little longer, but it definitely gives you more versatility. So what do you think, Nanny Karen?
I love it. So cute.
It's a lot longer than we were expecting.
Yes,
that's my mom doesn't usually wear long like this.
I don't usually wear this.
It's very long, but it actually looks really pretty.
And I thought it was going to be heavier than what it was, but it's not. Once you got them all in, they don't feel as heavy as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
It's not that heavy.
But if it was shorter, for sure, it would have a much lighter. I actually like it. Almost looks like you're going to the islands or something.
I love it.
I actually like it.
I do too. Look at that. I'm going to do stuff.
And you can flip it all over. See how versatile this braid pattern is, you guys? Like, that's why I love this braid pattern. It really lends itself to the front of your hairline looking really, really natural.
Look at that.
It looks really, really natural. So yes, you're gonna invest a little more time in the braid pattern, but your client will be happy when they have more options. Now the first day is gonna be tight, so you're manipulating it a lot. Does it feel tight? Like it's
tight,
yeah. You're not gonna be able to manipulate it.
Well, it's not. You know, I'm tough.
Yeah, because I'm like, you're doing a lot of manipulation, and we just finished. So maybe it's not as tight, but I would say give it a couple days and then you can really play around. That's beautiful.
How cute that is.
That's beautiful. I like this hair. What do you think about the hair?
I love it.
It's surprising.
I'm really loving this hair.
Yes, it's surprising.
I wasn't sure when you first took it out because I was like,
because it looks like a young girl style.
Yeah, but I like it, and I can do a lot of stuff with it.
Yeah, because you have the length to do stuff with it.
Actually, I do like the length. I would probably have asked for
to make that stay. You can just grab the hair, put this in a rubber band. And that could stay in the rubber band.
Look at that.
And just put this one in here too. Whoops. This one in here too, so it stays.
That is really cute.
That's pretty. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, so I think we got a winner, you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. You want to do the outro, Nanny Karen? Tell them to like, subscribe, follow, share.
I don't know what you want me to tell them.
Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching.
Make sure you like the video.
Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and share.
Yes. See you in the next one.
See you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.